Hi guys, it's your girl Nay, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing off-brand versus name brand, and we at Walmart right now. I already got some stuff, so I'm finna show y'all that now. We got these chips, and then we got these kind of off-brand ones. Then we have these Cheeto Puffs and these off-brand ones. Then we got the Oreos, we have cheeses, and we have some juice. And then we finna get a few more things. Before you get into this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell. And when we get back to the house or get in the car, I will get back to you guys. They wanted to be in my vlog.
How y'all doing today? How y'all doing today?
But y'all, you too. I'm finna get in the line. I think
we didn't get no dinner.
And then, well, I don't know what to do about dinner.
I told you. Where's the dinner? Y'all
this is the stuff that we got. We got lemonade, this type of juice, Oreos.
You're supposed to wait till the video.
They gonna get there when they get there. I mean, they gonna see it either way. Y'all, this vlog gonna be rough. This is who's gonna be in my video, because clearly they want to be seen so bad.
We need some din-din.
We don't need no din-din. We're gonna eat our fingers. Y'all, when we get our life together, I'm gonna come back, because right now this is just very unorganized. But I'm gonna come back to y'all. Huh? So guys, they just decided that we were gonna get something for dinner too. And for dinner, we're getting, we eating loaded fries. So we got crinkle cut fries, we getting some turkey meat, of course we need cheese. But yeah, when we get back home, we're gonna cook this stuff up and then we're gonna start. And I'm pretty sure 3 of us gonna be in the video, and then 1 of them is probably just gonna record it and all that. But yeah, when we get there, I'm gonna come back to y'all. Guys, so we finna try to guess the amount, and I want y'all to guess the amount in the comments too. This is everything that's in the cart. So we have this stuff, and then we have this stuff. How much you think it's gonna be? I don't know. Give an estimate. Oh my gosh, how much you think it's gonna be?
I say maybe 70 something.
70?
I say 70.
72? How much you think it's gonna be?
I think $500.
Okay,
I'm just $93.
Okay.
No, I got you. I was about to say I think it's gonna be $87.36.
I think it's gonna be. It might be like, dang. I think it might be like 120. But when we get there and ring everything up, I'ma let y'all know how much it costs. And yeah, I think it's going, because Walmart, they prices are cheap, but it's also expensive. And so it looks like we don't have a lot of stuff, but I feel like it might be. That's what I said. I got a whole bunch of challenges that's gonna be dropping for y'all soon. And I'm also doing the back to school. I can't stand the back to school challenges. So
you see me in the back of the video.
I wasn't even looking at you. But yeah, when we get there and get everything scanned up, I'm gonna come back to y'all. I'm back, guys. So we at the scanner thing now. This is all that we got up there still. This is how far we at now. Y'all, we might have all been wrong, or some of us might have been closer than others, because we almost done and it's not far at all. But yeah, comment down below what videos y'all want me to do. I got a whole bunch of videos that's gonna be coming out for y'all soon. And yeah, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And please subscribe, because I got some stuff that y'all gonna be excited about and that's gonna really get y'all attention. But right now we at, oh, she just hit y'all. Right now we at 66:27, and we're literally almost done. We got all this left. So I was definitely wrong. I think Maya was wrong, or she might have been right. I don't even remember.
Oh, she said 87.
Well then Maya was basically.
No, I said 93.
I said 93.
Okay.
She said 93.
Damn.
Or Shanice was right. She was like a few cents off, but yeah. But when we get back to the house, we're gonna do the challenge, and that's gonna be that. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know y'all favorite part. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later. We about to, basically what we're doing, we're gonna put it on our plate, we gonna taste it, we gonna guess what it is, and we gonna tell y'all. And this is all the things that we doing. She's in it, and she's in it, and then my cousin, Eli in the back, and then Ari in the back. And so yeah, we finna get this started.
What's their name?
This is Amaiya, and this is Shanice.
My name is Maya.
This is what's her name? This is Nurse Matt with the big booty. Period. And that's Shansway, Shanira.
It's giving, I don't know.
It's giving we all thick.
It's giving, put these blindfolds on.
Okay.
Let's get to the
Which one you want?
Just give me. Okay, which I want to start with first?
It don't matter.
It don't matter.
Oh, y'all, my hand too big.
So with my
Y'all, we just passed something.
I gotta do it this way, I think.
Y'all, I got a whole bunch of videos in store for y'all. That's gonna be lit. Y'all, comment down below what videos y'all want us to do. Comment down below. Did y'all like this video? Like this video, subscribe, turn on that post notification, and share it with your mama, your daddy, your cousin, and everybody else. And let's get us lit. So we finna have a lit year. Cause we really like that. Really like that. Period.
Y'all need to go to sleep.
Oh, y'all, by the way, my hair looks like this because we got in the pool. She got me wet and it was chlorine, so I had to wash my hair. So y'all pray for my locks.
Actually, stop lying.
Because I'm not supposed to be washing my hair yet. No, she started it. But yeah. Give us ideas. Please share this video.
Did you look in the...
Help us get to this 1K subscribers and this 4,000 watch hours. Please and thank you. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Y'all, we having some loaded fries too for dinner. I might show y'all how to, I mean not how to, I'm gonna show y'all what they look like when we done with this. You shook.
Okay, after this round, then I'm gonna take the fries. For real.
I put on the box.
Don't say they gonna be burnt. What's that? What we eat first?
Stuff. We take out.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Is that pizza?
Alright, pizza first. Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah. Are we eating?
That's cool.
Are we eating? Just count 1, 2, 3.
Already did.
Like.
God damn.
Okay.
Alright, okay.
Did we do the other one then? Let me finish
Oh,
one.
the cuisine. What you talking about? That motherfucker tastes like.
Oh!
Nobody told you to bite that motherfucker in.
Did we do the other one already?
She did it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, sure they did.
My bad. I thought they had it already.
Alright. I already know this.
Hell, for real.
That's nasty. Y'all have these off now?
Okay, one.
Wait, no, take your guess first.
Okay. I'm gonna go first. No, I'm going first.
Okay, Maya.
My right side was home running and the left side was generic.
Generic, that shit.
The first one I ate was home running and the second one was generic. Your turn.
First one, definitely home run in. Second one was nasty.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I can take
Okay,
some.
yeah, take
Y'all.
Period.
You can tell like in the sauce and in like the seasoning.
Y'all should got one
It
that
was
was like
cold.
not bad. Like,
No,
y'all got
I'm
one that was
gonna
bad.
tell you that
That bitch.
this, you know, home run in because of they crust.
I didn't taste it.
I know.
We should have chose something that was on the same level. Maybe we should have had Jack's pizza on the side.
Appreciate you.
Y'all was gonna throw this.
Okay, these ain't quite done yet. Maybe another.
Well, you just eat it.
I don't like her.
Well, I keep doing it.
I'm not eating that.
Burning my fingers.
Okay.
It feels
I'm
good
going
to
back
see
under.
the dark. I mean the light.
I don't want to go back on that though.
Okay, I'm ready.
Y'all go support Lay. She just dropped You Don't Know Lay Banks, and that song was really like that for
Oh
real.
my god.
Cause she really that girl.
Finish that. I'm right here too good. I be finishing the motherfucker.
I didn't even finish mine. I just took a bite.
Ooh, mine damn near gone. I didn't curse. That was it.
I'm gonna give you a whooping.
God,
Come on. Ooh, we should do flag and surf.
No, y'all said it.
Surf and flag. Surf and swag.
Ooh,
Wait, hold
wrong
on.
way.
Come, okay, one,
Right
2, 3. Ooh, 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 ooh. Now hips, hips,
Oh, shit,
hips,
okay.
hips. Ooh, hips.
Damn.
Hips.
Damn.
Hips.
Damn.
Hips.
Damn.
Oh, I just really hit that J Money and that grill.
I just feel like I look real crazy, but it's okay.
I'm gonna just tell you, Jordonnay, you just almost made me fall off the chair.
My bad. That booty can't be falling.
Oh my god, you're gay.
Man, them motherfucking Oreos thick as hell.
I know. I'ma cry.
Motherfuckers deep.
Y'all, I don't like double stuff, and they didn't have thin, and then we tried to get the regular ones, but then they didn't have the regular ones or the ones that we needed. So,
Bitches thick as hell.
My dumb ass over here like, who keep touching?
first one more time, cause I ain't asking all this out. Y'all trying to give me yellow marks.
My fault.
It's okay. Just a little cuss.
There's a little. Ain't that
Y'all
bad.
cursed like 20 times.
I'm doing good this time. I didn't curse yet. 10 seconds into the challenge and I'm gonna be asleep.
All right, y'all. It's ready.
Right first.
No,
Wait,
we
which
did
one is
first
considered
the
right?
last time.
The hell, why come in here?
You're right. There's 3 on the right and 3 on the left.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so which one we doing?
Right.
Right.
Always start off
No,
with
we
the right.
started with the right already.
So
Y'all
left,
start with the left?
Okay, left.
Left
Yeah,
or right?
left,
Just
Left? Okay, left.
left.
All right, go.
Okay.
Eat it.
Ew.
Ooh, that's thick as ever. Oh, I feel right.
You like it?
This, yeah.
She said she like it thick.
No, I did not say I like it thick. Stop lying.
Okay. Y'all ready for the next one?
Wait, I got 2.
Ooh.
This one might be hard.
Okay,
But
we
maybe
doing the
not.
next one.
Yeah, ready for the next one.
Y'all ready?
One,
Yeah.
2, 3.
Go.
Okay.
This might be hard.
I don't know what's going
I
on.
think I know what's left.
Oh,
And that's that on that period.
Okay. Go first, Maya.
he went first last time.
No,
Yeah.
I got somebody else's turn.
I go first.
Go.
The right is generic, and the left is real Oreos.
Wait, what's left and right? Okay.
I'm
I
dead.
don't know. That's kind of hard because I kind of feel okay. So I kind of feel like the left one tastes better, but then I kind of feel like the right one tastes
Girl,
better.
just pick yours.
Okay, I'm gonna say this one.
It's
Is
not
the-
this one, left or right.
This is the left one is real, and the right one is generic.
Okay, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I know my Oreo, so the left is definitely a double stuffed Oreo, and the right is definitely a generic Oreo.
They both double stuff.
All right.
Whatever.
Alright. Can I take them off?
Yep.
Ah, we will have key points.
Y'all was right. Okay,
Wait, so I was right?
Yeah.
Okay. Cause I was like, I feel like this one tastes better than.
First off, you can tell, cause this top part is like so delish. That is no like.
No, this guy tastes like chocolate. Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Like it wasn't Oreo chocolate.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna
No,
lie to
it
y'all.
tasted like yeah.
I'm the only
this one
person
tastes
not eating none of my stuff.
Yeah.
I don't like them.
So are we gonna trash the rest of this, or are you just gonna
Where my napkin go?
I'm eating mine.
right here?
Who ate the crust?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
It's gone.
Okay. Y'all want me to just throw the rest of them away?
I might eat these.
Toss them bitches.
I'm
Toss
not.
the ones y'all ain't eat them.
I was about to say, toss the ones you're not eating.
I'm not gonna eat that.
Need a bag.
Ew, double stuff.
Okay. That's
I
that.
ain't had Oreos in a minute, y'all.
Okay, man. This is to the side. That's to the side.
Time to go under here.
Y'all should like them.
Okay, wait.
If we ever need to go a day without seeing
Why
them.
your scarf so far down?
Oh, I'm trying to cook.
Let me
shut up.
Alright,
Y'all, we
ready?
got a whole bunch of. Oh yeah.
I just want y'all to know we talked to her.
Alright. So right and
Put it
left.
down.
Y'all wanna start with the left? Start with the left.
Okay, y'all just tell me because I ain't
We
gonna
can
lie.
start with the right, because we started with the left last time.
Okay, well let's do it. Right.
1, 2, ready, go.
Okay. I like that. That was good.
Decent, huh? You don't need me to like. Don't even try to edit this shit out of this. Just
Okay.
go ahead, go with it.
Now left two, though, puff.
Yeah.
Y'all ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
For that right one, Dixie, what you talking about?
That's salty.
Crazy.
I'm not gonna let you mix them together. They make. I don't know. It's a lot of flavors going on right now.
Okay, they're not. Okay, those aren't bad. They're just really, really salty.
It's giving Oreo.
It's just like a different chip.
It has a different cheesy taste.
Yeah. Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah.
It tastes like Oreo.
Taste it again. Hold on.
He tastes like Oreo.
I got Oreo now.
She said she got Oreo mouth.
And Jordonnay, it's your turn to go first, bro.
Okay.
How you chomping still? I thought we was done.
This one is the regular one, and this one, or the right one is the regular one, and the left one is the generic.
Okay, go, Shanice.
The right is the real one, and the left is the generic.
It's giving. Let me try one more time.
I'm dead.
I'm gonna have to say the left one definitely was not a Cheeto Puff. And the right one, I guess, is the regular Cheeto Puff.
When you try the generic one the second time, they know it's bad.
But I feel like they both are actually good. Like if I ate the left
It's
one,
not bad, it's just not the same thing.
they just have a little different taste to it. So yeah.
Nasty.
You had it?
All right.
They look
Take
nasty.
the bottom for a while.
You got one? Try it.
They look still.
They don't even look the same.
Last one. And you still eating chips?
I'm dead.
I'm hungry. I'm sorry.
Okay.
You're gonna be full by the time.
Yeah, give me some healthy food options.
Girl, bro, we
You
finna
can't
be
keep
eating
talking to
salad.
me a million times. I can get my things out. Hold on.
We finna be eating salad, chicken breast, rice. No, not no rice.
Rice can be healthy.
The whole grain rice tastes like crap, so. Didn't take one more. Not crap, but yeah, nah, I'm not gonna eat.
Yeah, something going on. Because this was tight at first and now it ain't.
That mean
Give me your head.
Y'all, that means that my locks are deflating.
Girl.
Yeah.
Y'all, give me some lock device because I feel like I've been doing hella.
Girl, your head grew in 30 seconds. That's
Really what
Did
it
you
is.
got this thing out?
Just throw up.
She just want to rub on
yeah.
my face.
Yeah.
My plate.
I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
Yeah.
It's like 10 o'clock.
I definitely took your Cheetos off.
Is it 10 o'clock?
No.
It's like, what, 8?
Oh, it's like at least good.
Y'all watch my previous videos. I mean, my previous video and then watch the video after
That's
that.
good.
You don't talk to that, y'all. Y'all.
I'm talking to them.
Y'all. Be quiet.
Don't talk about my language.
Jordonnay Symone. Again.
I pinch you.
My neighbor
Birthday?
talking to us.
I'm the
upstairs.
I give y'all like a shot worth of juice.
I elbow you.
Dang, I'm
These niggas take me like I got a pointy ass
A little
elbow.
bit more than a shot.
Jordonnay Symone.
I first of all love. I said your elbow was bony.
Same difference.
Having a plenty elbow and a bony elbow is two different things. We can elbow it out.
Oh,
My bad. No, don't hit me because that was her. What the heck? Stop! Go! Are you gonna do it again? No! And you elbowed me first.
But it's okay. We just y'all a little bit more.
make sure it go your way. Just keep talking. Now, shh.
Thank you.
Shut it.
You should. You're new.
Alright.
What? Stop it.
Alright, girl.
Okay, here, D.
Take it away from you.
Okay, is y'all ready?
Yeah.
Which one we going for first?
I don't remember.
Right or left?
Left.
Right.
Left.
Okay, with the left one.
No, don't let me knock it over.
It's
My
not
clothes.
giving.
Where is it? Okay.
Those your glasses, Jordonnay. Chill out.
Okay, is y'all ready?
Okay,
Yeah.
reach out in front of you, Jordan.
Oh my god.
Okay, go to your
Okay.
right.
But put it.
There you go.
Okay.
There.
Y'all ready?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Let me take one.
Okay. They're right.
For now, we gonna see.
Y'all, this video might be janky because the camera wasn't recording. Okay, oh, we on to the next one. I need a little sip of my drink.
That's gonna make me cry.
You'll be alright. I got money way before.
Oh wait, I gotta put the little items on the shits. Oh.
I really hope it was recording.
Look. You didn't need to edit this for real.
Huh?
Just let it be.
But we still can't have half of the video missing.
I'm talking about just the first one. That video one.
Yeah, but they be yellow marking and they won't let it get monetized.
Hey.
I need all my coins.
Hey, no.
How'd that go?
You put the headphones in and then you gotta figure out what they saying.
I'm trying to listen to you.
Oh. I thought you would just hit me. I'm like, these hits getting hard. I'm over here. How you gonna say you trying to whisper to me and then don't say?
The hell?
I don't know,
Why
baby.
would you tickle me, bro?
You almost made me fall. Why would you do that? You made me hurt my toe. You better stop playing, cause I'm.
Oh, we eat this time.
As soon as I hit the door.
Okay.
Alright.
We ready?
Go. We ready? Right
Yeah.
side.
Oh, eat them.
Okay.
Ew.
It's cold. It's cold.
Okay.
Okay.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, maybe I should have ate the whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? Go.
I'm not ready.
Go. Go.
Wait, I'm still too.
It's kind of hard.
Ew.
They both nasty?
Nah, they both cold.
I was gonna say, I was gonna say.
Well, I got too many flavors in my mouth. Okay, wait. Try the other one now. Oh.
They taste, I was gonna say, they taste alike.
They look nasty.
I'm good.
Okay.
It's a hard one, baby. Everything.
Hmm?
It's a bit hard. You know,
They not hard like the literal taste. I think
no, I'm saying it's hard to guess.
What my napkin? Oh yeah.
How you know that with your fingers?
Cause it had open. I'm like, what the heck?
Who going first?
That's
My turn.
You go first.
Um,
Not it. I don't know why that sprayed out.
I'm gonna say that the left is the real one, and the right is the generic.
I'm gonna say the same. Left one's real. The right one is generic. I don't know because they both taste like pizza rolls. So
They do.
I don't know. I guess I can go with the right, maybe real. I don't know. And then the left is probably generic, maybe not. But they both taste like pizza rolls. They both are nasty. I think I got so many flavors in my mouth. I think they're both just cold.
Yeah.
But see, y'all don't know me like that. Yeah, I eat cold food, and it's not them being cold. It's they're literally tasting nasty. Yeah, you dirty. You can take them off now.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I was right.
I keep telling. Why does it taste like that? Comment down below what's your favorite food. My favorite food is pizza. Man, it's just not. I can't stand it.
You're talking while there's like hella noise going on.
Man.
So they probably not gonna even hit you, my guy.
Well, that's bad.
I'm gonna tell y'all right now, my favorite food is macaroni, chicken tenders, hot
First of all, correction. Your favorite food is anything with
Be
meat.
quiet, I'm not done. Ribs
Like you meat.
and anything with meat, I'm gonna tell you that don't think dirty because when I say meat, I'm talking about only the meat that you can cook, okay? I don't like pig feet or nothing like that, but the basic meat that you eat, steak.
Girl, you had chillin'
yesterday. Girl, you're a liar. I don't even eat chitlins. They stink. And so, anyways, it's giving she's trying to play me.
That booty thing.
I like sweet potato. Who? I just washed this, but sweet potatoes.
So people eat it and just don't think.
Shush. Don't nobody eat my butt. Sweet potatoes. What else?
That is not your favorite food.
I do like sweet potatoes a whole lot with macaroni.
It's not like everything your favorite food.
No, at this point. No, it's not. I didn't
I
even
don't have
name that
favorite
many
food.
things, so y'all can cancel it.
What do you think my favorite food is? What are you like?
Nothing.
Salmon. I like shrimp. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Say some fish.
I know, I want some fried fish
Shrimp is my
fillet.
favorite.
But do you salmon walking? I really want that with some macaroni and sweet potatoes.
No, I eat
Live.
shrimp
Corn-
at least once a week.
cornbread. Okay.
Yeah.
You eat a lot of salmon too, though. Yeah, I do.
I like salmon too.
Ain't that shit good for
With
me?
hot
I can't eat salmon. I'm allergic.
Salmon is good for you. I swear salmon got a hold on the black community because everybody in their mama making salmon. Well, first off, everybody can afford it now because they got link card.
Hell yeah. Do y'all get link?
I get link.
Yeah, no.
If y'all don't know what link is, EBT,
Snap, food stamps.
I'm taking my hair down, y'all. I can't do this.
Dang, my
Oh,
pizza
I ate
sauce
it.
on my
I'm
hand.
supposed to eat it.
What was that?
Yeah.
Okay. You ready? Mm-hmm. Right.
An hour long? I know y'all not gonna guess this one.
It's your turn to go first. Okay. The left is the generic, and then the right is the name brand. What's up? Where y'all go? Amaiya.
I was still chewing. Hold on. The left generic, the right is regular chip.
I'm gonna say that the left is real.
Alright. Take it one look. It's the fact that mine still got a piece of sauce on it. I know, y'all need to clean my plate up.
Oh, I'm dead.
Comment what cooking video y'all want us to do.
Girl.
Yeah. Comment if y'all want me to do mukbang. I don't like eating in front of people, y'all.
I'm not gonna lie.
Shoot, the way you banging them chips, I can't tell.
This not real food.
Woo!
Why would you do such a thing?
The shade of it all.
I do.
Wait.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Who doing that?
I'm not gonna lie to you, G-Ball. You way out for that one.
Ah! Why would you do that?
Shut up.
Right? Are we on right or left?
Right.
Do it.
Right.
Right. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
It's cold.
Amaiya.
Ew.
Go right.
Huh? You're right.
Go right.
Oh, okay.
One.
Alright. Oh, wait.
This might be a wrong one.
That ain't the right one.
Be quiet. Enjoy your chicken bite.
Left? Or no?
I don't know, I'm still chewing.
Okay. Dang, slow chewer.
I'm sorry.
You fall asleep again?
Mm-hmm. You was not that bad. That's what I am. When I took that shower.
You definitely shouldn't be falling asleep while you chew.
You do it all the time.
Dang, bro, you put the whole 10 in your mouth or something? It's taking you so
Okay, y'all can go ahead with that one. Dang,
But
just give me a
Edmonds
second.
Wait, what side we supposed to be on?
The left now, we did the right already.
Okay. So you said you put the whole tent in your mouth, and I'm like,
Yo, I gotta put the
Okay, let's go.
Alright,
ew.
yeah, both.
Alright now.
that bitch wrestling.
Well, rest on you, too. What you gonna do? They
I'm
gonna
gonna
fall.
hit the room up there.
We gonna fall right through the floor.
I can't tell.
Ew, this doesn't have to.
They both little.
Okay.
This one tastes better.
I'm gonna go first.
Go.
No, okay. I said okay. No, hold on. It's given. The right one tastes better than the left, so maybe the right
like
one
literally.
is the real one and the left is generic. Okay, y'all go. Step 2. That's the left one. Abby, step.
I feel like the right one might be name brand, and then this one is generic.
I think that the right one is name brand too.
It just tastes. They both taste a little weird. I ain't gonna fix it, but that one tastes better.
Okay, y'all ready to take it off?
It's getting very much. I think we
Well,
all on.
the left.
The left was the name brand and the right was the
Okay, I thought it was. No.
It was wrong?
No.
All of them?
Well, Maya was right.
No, I didn't say. I said the right one was
We all said right.
the good
When
one.
it comes to name
Oh, I
brand,
thought you switched them.
Okay, y'all all wrong.
when it comes to name brand, what is name brand?
Huh?
Which one is name brand?
This.
Tyson and Purdue,
I think so.
Yeah.
or Great Value in Purdue?
We
Great
got
value.
great value in Purdue.
Purdue is nasty, and I had a feeling that this was Great Value. And I
Well,
was
I'ma tell you,
I was gonna say
I'm
that.
gonna tell y'all right now, go and get y'all some great value chicken bites and not the Purdue, because they taste
Oh, go
like
to Sam's
crap.
Club. It's not even chicken bites. What is this?
It's a strip.
I thought we got bites.
It's a chicken bite.
It's not no bite.
Man, it's a bite.
Mine was
It's
a
a
whole
huge bite.
Yeah.
Anyways, I just want to say that this challenge is going great so far, but we definitely need to choose some different stuff. What?
You ready?
No.
Y'all said left burner.
What we reaching for? Cup?
Yeah.
Okay, come
You
on.
don't hear?
Which one? Left or right?
Jordonnay drank from her left.
Dang, Jordonnay already drinking?
Why is like somebody spill something?
Ew. Is that
Okay.
texture feel weird? Okay.
Is we on to the right?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all want me to go first? Somebody else going first? Me? Okay, the left one has Coke, so I'm sure that's the real one. The right one just tastes a little regular. I mean, what? Generic. Well, it don't taste generic. They both taste like lemonade. But the left one is freshly squeezed, clearly. So, yeah.
Yeah, I feel like this one is a generic one because it's less sweet, and then that one has a more spicy taste to it. Spicy. It put like a little pop in my mouth.
What's going on in your mouth?
You got a lot of
Wait, Jordonnay, don't take your off.
Alright, I ain't even said that yet.
Nico
You're
never
supposed
knows.
to say left or right. You know I be getting by the top.
He called out Shaniqua. He know your name. He being funny. He called out Shaniqua.
Well,
This one for him is the real one. That one is not.
These folks don't know how to use left and right no more.
the left one is the name brand, and the right one is Great Value.
Thank you.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you called her Shaniqua. He said that was so much fun.
Well,
Y'all was right. Y'all was right, so.
I'm not gonna
That's crazy because I definitely switched it. I switched the cups before I gave them to you.
What you mean?
So at first, the name brand was on the right.
They taste different.
What's wrong
We
with
know.
your eyes?
Something in
Yeah, y'all done. That's all.
Big, just say that.
there. And if you was big, I would tell you big. You want me to
I already know I'm big.
I'm big, trying to lose the weight. I know a lot of big
I'm
folks.
big.
No, you're not. Yes, I am. Oh my God, bro.
All right, y'all. Go.
I almost smashed my face.
Right,
Garbage can.
right.
Right.
Hold my plate.
Right. Right. You know. I hate cheese. Ew.
Left shit.
Left.
Y'all just cussing.
And your That's the thing. This tastes nasty.
This is giving y'all put all the same cheeses on one plate.
Go ahead, guess. Amanda, you go.
Amanda? Who is Amanda? I'm gonna tell you right now, when you find Amanda, you let me know.
First of all, these are the same ones. There ain't no middle in my plate.
Yeah,
No,
that's
you,
right.
y'all was gonna say you grabbing two separate groups, so
Nah, yes we is. We grabbing two separate groups, but I'm gonna tell y'all right now that both of these chips is real. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. I'm gonna keep it real. I might be wrong because they both might be the same, but this one tasted nasty. So I'm
which
saying
one?
that's
That's
not right.
right.
Oh, Jordan, damn.
Let me tell you something. Next person, I'm swinging.
What's on it?
I'm swinging.
Swinging for what?
I'm swinging. First off, say left or right. You know what? You gonna stop listening. You what is going on? I'm having to shower right now. What's up? What's up? It's giving. What's up? It's giving Malachi when this video over.
What's up? Do it. Can y'all answer the question?
I just told y'all it's
They're
daytime.
the same. I took my blindfold off. I'm sorry.
Alright, so y'all said the same.
Yeah, they're the same.
Is that the same she looking shit?
I
Take
can't
the
tell.
blindfold off now.
Plot twist, no.
Man, like y'all
Was
was
that the
thinking about.
No.
Wait,
Well, I thought that those were generic because those were nasty.
those the real ones and them bitches the fake ones.
Well, those taste better.
Yeah. Left is
The generic
I'm
cheese
tell y'all right now.
taste.
All this shit, man. I don't like cheeses, so
I like the buffalo wing ones.
this video was ghetto. I feel like it was a fail.
First off, these cheeses, they should not get this to anybody.
Yeah.
They shouldn't even sell this. They don't taste good. Anyways, this was a lit video.
This was a fail.
We need to try. Stop saying that.
fail.
It was not
I got
fail.
like 2 on
We
it.
could probably try some different options next time.
Yeah.
But you know, this was just a video to do. You know, something to do.
I don't know, maybe instead of doing generic, just do 2 different ones.
Okay.
Like 2 different name brands.
But see, I mean, we gotta do the video.
But I still have
do
some of
that
those.
one.
Or
Yeah.
y'all should do, do y'all drink pop?
That's why I said we should have just pop out there. Oh yeah, we could. I don't like poppers. I guess I could do it and let my stomach bubble a little bit.
Ooh,
Just do the different kind. But just not bubble like take a dump. I'm saying like bubble as in the acid
They ain't
reflux.
taking that back. You said
No,
shit.
the acid reflux, baby. Okay, but thank you for watching this video. It's time for us to be downloaded fast. I'm supposed to be showing y'all that, but it's not done yet. So again,
It's not done? Or
it's not loaded on the plate, so it's not a
Okay, well,
I'll just show y'all what they look like. We gonna come back. Oh, we gotta come back.
You gonna do y'all?
You just gonna leave there? Okay, come on. You gotta let the folks know. Hey, how y'all doing?
what you mean?
We'll be back with the dinner.
Hi guys, so I'm back. I'm about to show you. You're sick. I'm about to show you guys my plate. This is what it's looked like in. It looks good. I never really had these before, but I like nachos and tacos and stuff. So I'm about to bang. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and let me know what else y'all want to see. Yeah, I'm holler at you guys later.